Picture this. Animated sonar waves sweep across the ocean floor, revealing the mysterious depths of the Puerto Rico Trench. As the data comes in, scientists gather around glowing screens, their faces lit with excitement. They've just discovered a hidden fault line beneath the trench. Suddenly, a simulation shows what could happen if an earthquake struck. Waves ripple outward, threatening nearby coasts. Thanks to this discovery, early warning systems are activated, alerts flash across screens, and coastal communities prepare just in time. In the end, lives are saved, and a sense of relief sweeps over the scientists. Proof that mapping the ocean can change the course of history. Now that we know how technology and the ocean are colliding, let's take a closer look at how these innovations are actually working in the real world. Meet the underwater drones, sleek autonomous machines gliding quietly through the depths. These high-tech explorers are already being used by marine scientists to track everything from whale migrations to coral bleaching events. Equipped with cameras and advanced sensors, they can reach places humans can't, gathering critical data 24/7. But that's just the beginning. On the surface, smart buoys are floating sentinels, constantly monitoring ocean conditions. They measure temperature, salinity, and even detect pollution in real time. When a potential threat is found, like a sudden spike in water temperature or the appearance of oil, these buoys instantly send alerts to researchers and authorities, allowing for rapid response and prevention of environmental disasters. And it gets even smarter. Networks of underwater sensors are forming a digital map of the ocean floor, helping scientists predict tsunamis, monitor volcanic activity, and understand shifting ocean currents. These interconnected devices form a smart ocean where every movement and change is tracked, analyzed, and shared. With artificial intelligence analyzing massive streams of data, we can make faster, smarter decisions to protect marine life and our planet. From saving endangered species to stopping illegal fishing in its tracks, Cybertech is transforming how we explore and safeguard our oceans. The future of ocean exploration is here, and it's powered by data, connectivity, and innovation. Stay tuned, because up next, we'll dive even deeper into the challenges and opportunities that come with this new era of smart oceans. But as our oceans become smarter and more connected, new challenges rise to the surface. Imagine if the very networks designed to protect marine life were turned against us. That's right, cybersecurity threats aren't just for computers on land anymore. Hackers could potentially disrupt the data streams from underwater drones, or even hijack smart buoys to send false alarms or hide real dangers. It's not just science fiction. Experts warn that as we rely more on digital technology in the ocean, the risk of cyber attacks grows. A compromised sensor network could mislead scientists, interrupt disaster warnings, or even facilitate illegal activities like unreported fishing. And with critical infrastructure, from undersea cables to navigation systems, now relying on ocean tech, the stakes have never been higher. That's why researchers and engineers are racing to build tougher defenses, encrypting data, creating secure networks, and constantly monitoring for suspicious activity. The goal? To ensure that our smart oceans stay safe, resilient, and trustworthy. Because in this new era, protecting the ocean means protecting its digital lifelines too. So as we celebrate the incredible leaps in ocean technology, we also need to keep a sharp eye on the risks. The future of our oceans depends not just on innovation, but on vigilance. As we chart the future of our oceans, one thing is clear. Cybersecurity isn't just a technical issue. It's a mission to protect our blue planet. Around the world, teams of scientists, engineers, and policymakers are joining forces to defend the digital frontiers of the sea. From international treaties to real-time threat monitoring, new rules and technologies are being put in place to keep our ocean data secure. Innovators are developing AI-powered systems that can detect suspicious activity in underwater networks, while governments are investing in global collaborations to share information and respond quickly to cyber threats. Even everyday citizens play a role by supporting transparent science and responsible technology use. The ocean has always been a symbol of mystery and power. Now, as we connect it to our digital world, we have a new responsibility to safeguard its secrets and its systems. By staying alert and working together, we can make sure that the wonders of the smart ocean remain safe, sustainable, and open to all. Protecting our blue planet starts with protecting its digital heart.